Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to share files through airdrop with your iPhone's friend. So the things that you need to do now is just go visit the files and access the files that you want to share into your friends. So after you're finding one, for example, I would like to send these files into my friend. So you just need to click and hold the files until several options pop up on your screen, and whenever it's already pop up, you can see like there will be a lot of options that you can choose. And to share this file, you just need to go click this button, and after you click it, there will be like pop up here too. The several options are the way you can like share the files. Since we want to send it through airdrop, we just need to go click this airdrop, and you just need to wait until your first airdrop is pop up on the screen. And whenever it's popped up, you just need to go click it and wait until your friend accepting the files. And whenever they accept it, now the system will be processing the transfer, and whenever it's success, there will be like a word called sent here, means that the files is already sent into your friends. So that's the way how to do airdrop or sharing files through airdrop in the iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.